So you might be trying to go ahead and actually backup WhatsApp messages. Why do we do this? In case you delete the app WhatsApp or lose your phone, you will not be able to recover all your conversation. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. I show you two ways how you can backup WhatsApp messaging on iPhone and Android devices. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's jump right in. Open up your WhatsApp app. If you use Android device, tap on three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. From appearance menu, proceed to Settings. If you use iPhone iOS devices, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. From now, any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS devices are the same. Proceed to Chats, and here you'll be able to see Chat Backup. Tap on it. On Android device, when you tap on Chat Backup, you should select your Gmail account, and then, of course, backup your all information to your Gmail account. On iPhone iOS devices, you backup your chat information to iCloud. So, just tap on Backup Now on iPhone devices. When you tap on Backup Now, backupping is starting and download your old chats. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.